Looking for the perfect DisplayPort cables? Here's what you need to know. The UGREEN 16K 6.6FT DisplayPort is making waves. And here's why. Perfect for anyone who wants cutting-edge 16K DisplayPort cable. UGREEN 16K DisplayPort Cable 2.1 supports high-resolution 16K at 30 Hz, 8K at 240 Hz, 4K at 240 Hz, 1080p at 540 Hz, and backward compatible with DisplayPort 1.4.1.3.1.2, single-screen video output of 16K at 30 Hz, DSC1, 2A, and dual screen supported. The DP to DP cable also supports HDR, HDCP 2, FEC forward error correction and UHBR10, which ensure your immersive viewing experience. Note: 20-pin is disabled with no power. No need to worry about the 20-pin issues. Designed to help you VESA certified 54 Gbps DP cable 2.1. This DisplayPort 2.1/2.0 cable features an unprecedented bandwidth of 54 Gbps. Nearly 3 times what was available in the previous DP1.4 spec. Stable and high-speed transmission without signal loss. The DisplayPort cable also backward compatible with previous DP1.4 and DP1.2 standards. The monitor cable meets the VESA standard and supports 3D and HDR and Dolby and EARC to provide you with amazing sound and image quality. Great choice if you need optimized for game enthusiasts. The DP Cable 2.1 is highly recommended for game setups as it works well with game monitors and graphics cards, delivering high-quality video and audio signals with no lag or interference. It supports FreeSync and G-Sync, which are essential for gaming. You can easily connect multiple monitors with multi-stream transport, MST, variable refresh rate, VRR, and auto low latency mode, ALM. Bring you smoother game experience, especially in FPS, 3A and MOBA games. If you want to check it out, I've put a link in the description with the current price. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.